TFNN. Headline News Update.
Okay, folks, this is Larry Pesavento coming to you from Frustration City. Here's the Russell. As you remember, we sold that thing up there at $22.90, and last night I said put a stop at $22.70, and then of course they brought out the news about NVIDIA being able to sell to whoever they wanted to, or China, whatever it was, and the market rallied up, took out our stop by a whopping 3 points, and has now dropped 40 handles. That tells us we probably got an ABCD here heading to the downside. As you can see here, I'll show you the NASDAQ because it was the one that was leading the pack last night. It was really, quite spectacular. There was the early warning signal was last night. This is when it came out after the market had closed, and then it had this huge run right here, and then it got all the way up to that level right there. Now you can see we've come down 32. We dropped about 150 handles. The S&P has been coming down actually a little faster. It made a new high also, and as you can see here, it is heading down. We should be into a little bit of a rally here coming down. You'll notice today from the high that we made up there at 342, you made a perfect ABCD 382 right there at 33.15, and now you can see it's moving down to that level. Let's just take and see if we're going to make this price objective today, because it's got 32.75 as a possible handle here. And as you look at this, there's from your high right back here, and then down to your low right there. That brings you into right there at 32.75. See how this is going to hold up here at 32.75 for a potential low on the day. Now, there is one market that this doesn't have any friends at all, folks, and that's U.S. bond market. Let me get this out of the way here. We've got to get our clock up here because I keep forgetting the time involved with this, and we've got 46 seconds, so that'll be easy to talk to us about the bonds, but it just doesn't have any friends, folks. Let me get this out of the way here. And then we'll go over some of the things that we have. We had a little bit of a rally today, and I mean a little bit. We look at this on a smaller time frame. You see all it did was bounce up and make a 382 off the previous high. That's all it did. You'll see it right there. And there it was right there, and then more to the downside. That's another $1,000 to the downside in the bond. So we're going to take a break here. So live every day in an attitude of gratitude, and may God bless and stay with us.